friends, happy Friday. Oh my God, yay, it's Friday. My name is Terry. Thank you guys for clicking on my video, and what we're going to do today is my Fashom box came in, and it's been in, and I sprained my ankle, and they were so gracious so that they said, hey, if it takes you a little bit longer to get the video up, it's absolutely fine. I paid for this box. I had ordered the box. We did have a bit of a delay with COVID in getting it, so that's why you haven't seen a Fashom box from me in a while. So Fashom sends you 5 items, just like Stitch Fix, and they are known for this cute little purple box, and you get a preview. So if you guys use my link, you will also get your first box free. After that, it's going to be $15, which is low. I think that's like one of the lowest ones that you can get, other than maybe, well, no, I think even Trendsend is 20. So let's start with what you get in here. So I got items that I really think I'm going to like. The only thing is a couple of them are like businessy things, and unfortunately, this is what I'm wearing to work right now. You do get a mailer, and it is a priority mailer to mail anything back that you don't want to keep. You also get your list in here of items, and I had Kristen, and she's got my price list on here. And then also, if you buy just 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off of those 3 to 4 items. If you buy 5, the whole box, they give you 30%. Again, this is a much heavier discount than other companies give. Okay, friends, here is the first top. It's pretty. It's just a light lavender. It's a little bit of a lower V-neck. There's how the arms look, sort of that kind of like a small dolman. And it's got like this thing that comes down in the middle. It's just like a seam. Comes nice around you. It is very, very thin. It feels nice. So here it is. Yeah, it's nice. It's, like I said, it's extremely thin, little sheer. You could probably layer and wear a cami under it if you wanted to give yourself a little bit more coverage with this one, but overall, it's a cute little top. Okay, friends, so here is the really pretty lavender tank top. I like this. I haven't adjusted the straps, but the straps are really pretty. They've got the little pearls on them. It's very nice. It's a comfortable, loose fitting, but yet flattering. Like, it kind of pulls you in a little bit here, and then it flows here, which is what we want. We want right now, being on quarantine. So here you go. This is the cardigan. Very lightweight, like it's just like see-through. And then you have a little button here. So, oh, I see, okay. So there we are. I'll probably make it like that. You have a little tab that you can do. So I don't know which way looks better, up or down, but here is the cardigan. Here is the skirt. It's very cute. And it's got the little slit right here. And I do like it, and it feels good. It's all fitted, it feels really good. I don't know if it looks good. You guys are gonna have to tell me that. And I don't think I'd probably wear it with this purple and burgundy, but that's just what we had. So all right, so now all I have left to try on is the dress. So here it is. So you can see I got my little mama girl pooch going on. But what's nice is it does have ruching in it on the side, so it's kind of loose in your tummy. It's not really tight. So that's kind of nice, and I think once I can wear shoes, this will be a cute little dress. Okay guys, let's get started with pricing. So let's start with the last one I just tried on, this little dress. I like this dress. I think it was pretty. I think it's a beautiful spring little dress, and I didn't think it was too revealing. I felt comfortable with it, but I definitely need to wear shapewear with it right now. This dress full price would be $45. That would not be what I pay. I would either get 25 or 30% off depending on how many items I keep. This one The full retail on it is $39, and this is in the color Tanzanite. I don't have anything like this color. I do really like the color. I think this color is a little more flattering on me. So this one I'm considering as maybe one of the items that I would keep. This cardigan it just says MAK, Women's Jade Knit Open Sweater Cardigan. This retails for $43. I'm not a fan. The material's not real soft. I don't think the color is necessarily, I think the color kind of takes the color out of my skin. It washes me out a little bit. And I just wasn't a big fan of this. So this I know that I'm not keeping. What else do we have? The skirt's a maybe. I thought the skirt was pretty. I do want to see your opinions on the skirt, but I thought for work, when I go back to work, this will be a nice piece to have. And like I said, this is going to be a transition piece that I can wear into the fall. It's in the color wine, and it is regularly $49, okay? And then the last item here is the Natural Life Soft Intermingle Hashi Top in the color Misty Lilac, and this retails for $42, less the 25 or 30% off, okay? Most I'll probably get is 25% off, because I'm considering this and this, which actually those would have been cute to pair together. And then I'm considering the tank top. So those are the three that I'm thinking of, but I'm not exactly sure. I would love some of your opinions on what you liked, what you didn't like. I do really like this. I do like this. I just don't know how much wear it's gonna get. So that's what's kind of causing me a little bit of hesitation. So let me know what you think about this one too. Okay, so that was my fashion box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you stuck around this long, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know your comments in our comment section, and I hope you'll subscribe. We do have a couple contests going on. There's one for a Balzano handbag. I'll try to link that up in a card, either here or here. I don't know where it'll be for you if you haven't checked that out yet. We have a lot of fun over here, and so I hope you'll be a part of our Southern Yankee tribe. I'll see you all very soon, guys. Bye.